Hello, hi, I'm Tembeka from Yizocom. Mampintsha's mother has exposed the entire Simelane family. The drama in these two families started after Mampintsha's mother accused Mampintsha and Babes not to invite her to their traditional wedding. She putting all the blame to Babes, whose real name is Bongile Simelane. She claimed that it's Babes who told them to not set foot at their wedding venue. She also attacked Showmax that they never gotten back to her with regard to payment. And she also claiming her daughter-in-law that she is faking her pregnancy. She told her to throw away the sponge she uses to discuss as a growing belly because she's not pregnant. Mampintsha's mother, she said, she's praying for her son, which is Mampintsha, to get the protection he needs from the homeless Simelane family. In Babes Odumo response, she said, her husband and her mother-in-law relationship has been nothing but toxic over the years. She also said, over the years, I have been silent about Mampintsha's relationship with his mom. This was due to the fact that I love and respect my husband for who he is, regardless of the toxic word his mom has said over the years about our relationship. Mampintsha's mother was well informed about the wedding, and I did everything I was obligated to do as a wife. I choose to love my mother from a distance so they can sort out their differences as mother and son. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.